Welcome to the next level.
Hey guys, so today basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be telling you a story. So I'm going to be doing a story. I'm going to be doing a story time, and I'm also going to be doing my makeup because I didn't just want to like talk at you guys, like I wanted to add some substance to it, you know. So it's kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me, but not. It's a story time, get ready with me. I'll call it that. A story time, get ready with me. So yeah, let's go. So I'm telling you guys about the time that I almost got shot at an apartment party. Yeah, so I nearly died. So let me just start with my eyes first. Basically, let's set the scene. So this happened last year, February, and it was some girl's birthday in the year below me, and so she was having an apartment party. She was having an apartment party in like basically like the center of my city. Me and my friend Casey, we went, and I don't really know the names of anyone, but yeah, me and my friend Casey and Joelle, we went to this apartment party. So most of the people there were like younger than us, and basically obviously you have like a party and you invite like certain people, but then other people always tend to like find their way to your party. So yeah, we got to the apartment party. It was so packed. Yeah, like this thing was like, the apartment was small and there were just so many bodies. Like there was bodies everywhere. You walk in the hallway, bodies here, bathroom bodies, the bedroom, there were hella people, and then there was just no space, and the apartment was just so small, and there were so many people in the living room. Like you just had to squeeze, like I was squeezing by trying to say hi to people, like hey, hi, oh yeah, you, trying to hug them, and it just wasn't working. So music's playing, the music's kind of quiet, and also the music's kind of dead. So basically whenever I'm at a party, like I take the aux, like I just control, like I'm like, you lot, yeah, you guys aren't good at this music thing, so I just unplugged the aux and I put it in my phone, and I started playing. This was the time where I don't know if you remember Harlem Spartans, what's it called? That's where you go.
Question. If gang pull up, are you gonna back your brethren?
That's when that song was like popping. That's when that song was like lit. So basically, I was like, oh yeah, let me DJ. Oh, and that's the time Raindrops, Drop Tops was out as well. So I was like, okay, let me change it to that song, because obviously that will get everyone gas. So I put that song on. Yo, the way everyone was just like, Raindrops, Drop Top, and everyone was like, Christian, them gang pull up. Are you gonna back your brethren? So yeah, and the party started getting popping, you know, the party was getting lit. I was wearing one nice fine dress or whatever, and then oh yeah, I remember I even got banged. Like I got banged in the middle of the rave, because obviously when the songs come on, guys like to do their mosh pit thing or whatever. So I was like, yeah, let me enter the mosh pit. So then I come and enter this mosh pit, yeah, and I bang my lip, like my lip is bleeding. I'm like, what the hell is this? So that's already strike one, like that's red flag number one. Like this party is not going very well for you, shala. So yeah, and then yeah, the time goes on. I see like my other friends that have decided to come to this party, and then all of a sudden, like I look outside the window and I see police, and obviously the neighbors of that apartment must have complained, as they always do. Or people love to ruin your fun. So these people obviously complained about noise. So now I'm seeing the police outside. I'm like, yo, this party is gonna get shut down, because that's what always happens at the party. You just get shut down, everyone leaves early, and this is like 11 p.m. It's like 11 p.m. and the party's gonna get shut down already. Like this is too early. Like I'm trying to stay out until like 1 or something, I don't know, later than that. yeah, so then I'm seeing the police outside. Obviously the party's gonna get locked off. They obviously spoke to like the girl that was hosting it, and so she all of a sudden she turns on the light, she stands up on this table and she's like, you lot need to be quiet, or if you weren't invited, leave the party. Why are you guys here? There's too many men here, you guys have to leave. And obviously everyone's just kind of looking at her like, if you think I'm leaving, you must be mad. You must be mad. If you think I'm leaving, you must be mad. Yeah, I just looked at her. I was like, I'm not leaving. I told my mom I was gonna be out. You think I'm leaving? No, there's actually no way. So everyone's looking at her. I think someone must have shouted like, oh yeah, Jared, they turned off the light, turn back off the light, because she turned on the light. They put the music back on playing. No one really left. So that didn't, all her efforts like it was just wasted because nobody left. And then we just continued the party. Everyone's continuing, and then everyone's enjoying, having fun, you know, vibes as you do. And then like fast forward a bit, and all of a sudden people are like running into the room saying, everyone needs to get out, everyone needs to get out. The lights are suddenly turning on, everyone's like, everyone needs to get out. Someone says someone has a gun. So I go to my friend, so I go grab onto him like to help me, and man's like, what, gun? Struggling me, pushing me off, leaves me for dead. I'm like, yeah. So it's like that, and then I'm shook. I'm just looking around like, oh my god. I'm trying to find the friends that I came with. I'm trying to find Casey. I'm like, oh my god, where is she? Where's she gone? Oh my god, God, please, like, take the wheel. Like, please do not let me die today. And then, so because I'm literally like left alone, like my friends have gone somewhere, I need to go try to find my friends. So then I leave the main area which I'm in, even though the person who has the gun is like in the hallway. So I go to the bedroom, and then just trying to look for my friends, because I literally nowhere to be found. Like at this point I'm like, oh my god, I just want them to be safe. I don't even know where they are. I don't know where I am, don't know what's going on, and I'm actually shook for my life. So I'm in the bedroom now, and then I think I try to find someone. I found like someone else that I know. I'm just with them for a while, and then all of a sudden I'm hearing like people are screaming, shouting. There's people like running into the bedroom crying, and they're like, oh my god, they're like, oh, I saw it, they were hitting them on the head. So basically people were like getting bottled. And then all of a sudden, like I look outside the bedroom because I need to get out of the apartment, because I've called my friend and they're out, like they're outside, they're not in the apartment. So I need to go outside. So I'll go to the corridor trying to like leave, and all of a sudden I'm seeing one bottle just go pew pew on someone's head. I'm like, oh my god, what is this? So after I saw those bottles being like thrown, I went back into the back into the bedroom, and I told everyone. I was like, no one. The door got shut. I was like, no, oh my god, I've just seen someone. Like I told everybody I saw someone getting bottled. Someone's being bottled outside. And then I even saw like blood. And then after a while, people started like sort of evacuating the room, and I got into the corridor. I turned to look inside the bathroom. There was blood everywhere, blood head to toe, nail toe, head toe, everywhere, like everywhere in the area. I was actually so shocked. And then eventually I sort of made my way out of the apartment, trying to find my friends, scrambling, like calling my friend, like, where are you, I see them in the corridor. But now I'm stuck in the corridor because bottles are still being thrown left, right, center. There's blood everywhere. People are screaming, like people are really screaming. People are running to the other side of the corridor, like outside the apartment, so they can just get to like safety. And now I'm seeing people I know, like girls, dripping with blood because they've been bottled on their head by these people. And I'm just thinking, what the fuck is everyone so violent for? Like, we're having a good time. Like, this is not South London. Like, no, like, no, I'm not dissing South London or anything, but where I live is like, there's barely any gun crime. So I was just really baffled as to the events that were happening. In all the commotion, I think everyone's suddenly everyone like starts evacuating. The people that must have been like throwing the bottles must have finished, because everyone starts evacuating, everyone starts like sort of leaving, going down the stairs. And we were on, say, like the 5th floor, so we had to go down. The lift was finished, no one could enter the lift, so we were going down the stairs, and each flight of stairs across the wall I just saw blood smeared on the wall, blood on the wall, blood on the like handles of the stairs. Like, that shit was bad. To this day I don't even know who was the one that was throwing bottles, who was the one that got bottled. I just know it was some mad events. So yeah, I can't lie, I think that's the end of the story. Like, there was just blood everywhere. Like, I wish I videoed it so you guys could see the amount. There was so much blood, like, at a party that this should not be happening. So yeah, that's the time that I nearly fucking got shot and nearly died at an apartment party. Since then I have been to an apartment party, but nothing like that. Like, nothing to that extent, because that was a bit major, you know.
Recognize a Joshua focus. This style is local. I sit on beaches in Acapulco. I put words together like Peter Jennings. And stay on motherfuckers like Maggie Fleming. So go to those who owe from 104.56 to 902.0.
So yeah, basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face, face makeup, and then I'll get back to you guys and just like do a little outro thing. Yeah, so yeah.
Welcome to the next level. Must be the brew that I was sipping. The L-I-K-S. What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? Must be the brew that I was sipping. Welcome to the next level. Use a nigga, everybody diss, cause you can't bust this. You got a bad name like Dick Butt Kiss. Welcome to the next level. A rhyme flowing, scratching, cooking the beats and hoe catching. Every time I come home, I got 50 messages. I only call back the girls with big breasts. Ooh, I got biddies in all the major cities. The safest way to have sex is right between us. I knew this Philly from Philly. We was puffing on a Philly.
So yeah, I'm finished with my look now, and I'm finished with a story time about how I nearly got shot in an apartment party. I hope you enjoyed this type of video, story time, get ready with me. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I said that so posh. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.